Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to send follow requests on Instagram. So to do that, we have to head over to our Instagram account first. And once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the icon on the lower right corner. Tap on the three lines on the top right. Now scroll down and see if there is any information to download your information, because we can't just see whom we have sent our follow requests as a list. So I'm heading over to the account center and scrolling down, going to your permission, your information and permissions. Now go to download your information. Go to download or transfer information. Now select some of your information. Now just select the uh, reports, messages, and other activity and likes, and then just select information about you, followers and following, and tap on next and go to download to device. Now it has create HTML file, but if you want it as a JSON file, you can also make it like that, and they will notify me to this email. You can change the email from here, and the media quality you can change it too. So once you tap on create files, there will be a zip file. So after downloading and unzipping the file, you can find your send requests within connections and followers and following, and go to a pending follow requests.html file. So this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.